Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us for this year's Cyber Monday sale. This is our biggest sale of the year and the one and only time we offer 25% off both new memberships and account upgrades. It's the perfect time to become a new member or to finally take the leap and upgrade your existing account to a lifetime membership. And because this is such a special occasion, we've gone above and beyond to make sure becoming an Elegant Themes member is the best investment you make all year. In addition to getting our biggest discount of all time on Divi itself, you'll also gain access to our Cyber Monday perks page in the Elegant Themes members area. Here, you're going to find even more amazing Cyber Monday deals from our 36 Cyber Monday partners with the highest percentage off deals they're offering this year. And as if all that were not enough, our design team has created exclusive thank you gifts in form of landing page layouts, Divi Theme Builder template packs, a WooCommerce product layout pack, and custom Divi headers and footers, all available instantly after purchase and 100% free. To get in on all this Divi amazingness, go to elegantthemes.com/cybermonday or click the link in the video description and become a new member or upgrade your account today. If you are already a lifetime member, feel free to go straight to your members area perks page and enjoy our thank you gifts and partner discounts. Today, we're highlighting gift number 5, the Divi header layout pack. This header layout pack is full of distinct header designs that can be used on a wide variety of websites. With 10 options to choose from, you're sure to find something you like. In this video, we'll show you how to download these header layouts and use them on your very own Divi website. Stay tuned till the end of the video for a closer look at gift number 5. All of the Divi header layout downloads can be found in your members area. To access the downloads, you must first log into the members area with the username and password created when you signed up as a member. Once you are logged in, click the link on the far right of the members area menu called Cyber Monday Perks. Under Cyber Monday Perks, find the header and footer layout pack perk and click the download the pack button. Once the Divi header footer packs file has been downloaded, unzip the folder and open it. Let's open up the folder called header pack. Here you will see a total of 11 JSON files included. 10 of the files can be used to import each of the header layouts individually. One of the files here at the bottom is called Divi header pack.json. This file can be used to import all the headers to your Divi library at once. Now that you have the header layout files ready, you can use them to import the headers to the Divi library. Once done, they will be ready to add to any page or template on your site. Here's how to do it. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Divi Library. Then here at the top, click Import and Export. In this portability pop-up modal, select the Import tab. Now let's choose our file. Don't forget we go to Divi header footer packs, then the header pack, and from here we could either select just one header file, or we can import all of them using the Divi header pack.json file. I'm going to select this one. Now I'm going to click Import Divi Builder Layouts. And just like that, all 10 header layouts have been imported to the Divi library. Now you can easily add these header layouts to any page or post on your site. Here's how to do it. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Pages, All Pages. Then hover over the page that you want to add the new layout to and click the Edit link. From here, we want to go to this little plus icon that brings up our Divi library. Now let's go to the tab called Your Saved Layouts, and here you'll see all of our Divi headers that we just imported. Before we do anything, make sure this option is not selected. Replace existing content. Now we can choose any of our Divi headers, and for this example, I'll just choose Divi header number 1. Now, if I scroll down, we'll see navigation, and this right here is our Divi header. You might notice that our entire Divi header is at the bottom of the page, and so what we're going to do is simply take this entire section and drag it on up to the top of our page. Before updating this page, I do want to note that if you want to keep the default header from showing on the page, we need to scroll down and go to the template section here on the right hand side and select blank page. Now we can scroll back up and click the update button. And just like that, we're going to go ahead and view our sample page. And there we go. We now have a brand new header for this page. If you want to apply one of the header layouts site-wide, you will need to use the header layout in a new theme builder template. Since this is a header, you may want to add it to the default website template as a global header. Here's how to do it. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Divi Theme Builder. Next, click Add Global Header and select Build Global Header. We're going to click on the middle option, choose a pre-made layout. This may look familiar because we're back in our library, which means we're going to go to the tab Your Saved Layouts. And again, here are all of our headers. At this point, we could choose whichever one we would like. And for me, I'm going to choose header number 4. And just like that, here's a preview of our brand new global header using header layout number 4. Now we need to make sure we save our changes. So step 1 is to click the save button in the bottom right of the page. Now I'm going to click the X at the top right, and we need to make sure we click save changes on our theme builder. And now I'm on my home page and I can see my global header is working perfectly. We hope you enjoy our Cyber Monday gift number 5, the Divi Header Layout Pack. If you like what you see here, be sure to check out our Cyber Monday sale to get this massive header layout pack and much more. Well, that's all for this video. Thanks for tuning in. We hope that you're enjoying our 2019 Cyber Monday deal and all the special prizes, bonus deals, and freebies that come with it. If you haven't taken advantage of it yet, don't wait. This deal won't last long and it'll be a whole year before anything this good comes around again. Go to elegantthemes.com/Cyber Monday and become a new member or upgrade your account today. To make it even easier, we've put the link in the video description. Don't miss out. It really is the best investment you can make for your website this year. Thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.